Hi, this is Alice Money's Custom Tech. I have a quick tech tip to show you guys. This is what I'm going to try to repair today. See this wire that's exposed? We need to have this covered up in what's known as a conduit. There's a couple of terminology for it, but what you're really trying to do is to try to have it not be vandalized by someone. They don't have full access to it. Now, I can't prevent it altogether, but you can minimize that risk. So we're going to be we're going to keep the camera, but we're going to put a conduit there so that the wires are not exposed. Okay? And we're going to be doing the same thing around here with that camera. See that? The wire is also exposed on that one also. Like I said, I did it on the fly because of some activities I saw that was make me uncomfortable, so I just real quick put a camera up there. But now I'm gonna actually make it professional. So you're gonna, when I'm done, it's gonna be conduits. Actually, it's not gonna have a conduit. But this one, all I'm gonna do is just move this over so your wires are not exposed. That's the key. You don't want the wires exposed so no one could cut it. All right? So when you see me again, you're gonna see the finished product. As you can see, it's a finished product. Everything is enclosed in what's known as a conduit. Right? Let's go to the front and see what's going on there. Okay, so that before that wire was exposed, and now we saw inside the conduit. All right, here we go. See, wires are not exposed. I'll put another one up. There's another one there, so I have two of them out in the front now. The garage, and no wires exposed, so nobody can vandalize them easily. Put it like that. Okay. That's an introduction to what we're going to be doing. Okay. Let's start this. So once again, we install.